Long ago, in a kingdom ruled by a wise king, there was a road that many people traveled. One day, the king decided to test his people. He ordered a large rock to be placed in the middle of the road. Then he hid nearby to see what would happen. First, some wealthy merchants and courtiers passed by. They saw the rock blocking the road, but chose to walk around it rather than move it. They grumbled about the king not keeping the roads clear, but they did nothing to remove the obstacle. Days went by, and still, no one moved the rock. Many people complained about it, but no one took action. Then, one day, a humble peasant came down the road. He was carrying a load of vegetables to sell at the market. When he reached the rock, instead of walking around it like the others, he put down his burden and tried to push the rock out of the way. The rock was heavy, and it took a lot of effort. The peasant pushed and strained until finally he managed to move it to the side of the road. After he finished, he went back to pick up his vegetables. To his surprise, he noticed something shiny on the ground where the rock had been. It was a purse filled with gold coins and a note from the king. The note explained that the gold was a reward for the person who removed the rock from the road. The peasant was overjoyed. He thanked the king and went home with the gold, feeling proud of what he had accomplished. The moral of the story is that every obstacle we encounter in life presents an opportunity. Many people walked past the rock and complained about it, but only the peasant saw it as a chance to make things better. His willingness to take action not only cleared the road for others, but also brought him a reward. In life, there are often challenges that come our way. It's easy to complain or ignore them, but true success comes to those who see obstacles as opportunities. By facing challenges head-on and taking action, we can improve our circumstances and grow as individuals. So, the next time you encounter a problem, remember the story of the peasant and the rock. Instead of complaining or walking away, ask yourself, what opportunity does this obstacle present? By approaching life with a positive attitude and a willingness to take action, you too can turn challenges into stepping stones towards success.